Hi everyone, and welcome to the first class that looks at English used in the IT sector. This set of classes will explain many of the terms and phrases used and show how they can be used practically. So let's begin looking at vocabulary for information technology. Hit. A visit to a website. This website gets 10,000 hits a day. Adware. A software application which displays unwanted pop-up advertisements on your computer while in use. Adware is often installed at the same time as free software or shareware. Application. A program designed to perform a specific function directly for the user. Backup. A copy of files from a computer's hard disk in case the files are erased or damaged. Boot or boot up. You boot or boot up your computer when you switch it on and wait while it prepares itself. File. A specific computer record. It could contain data such as text. Folder. A subdivision of a computer's hard disk into which you put files. Font. A particular sort of lettering on the screen, such as Arial or Times New Roman. Cursor. A blinking symbol on the screen that shows where any new text will next be entered. Format. Hard disks have to be electronically prepared for use by a process called formatting. They are pre-formatted by the computer manufacturer. Graphics card. The equipment inside a computer that creates the image on the screen. Icon. A small image or picture on a computer screen that is a symbol of folders, disks, programs, and so on. Hardware. The physical equipment or touchable parts of a computer system. The monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, the scanner, printer, and so on. Parallel port. A socket at the back of a computer for connecting external equipment or peripherals, especially printers. A serial port is also a socket at the back of the computer for connecting peripherals. QWERTY. The first 6 letters on English language keyboards are Q, W, E, R, T, Y. For French language keyboards, it is A, Z, E, R, T, Y. Resolution. The number of dots or pixels per inch or centimeter used to create the screen image. Modem. Equipment connected to a computer for sending or receiving digital information by telephone line. You may need a modem to connect to the internet. USB. This is an abbreviation for Universal Serial Bus, a connection for attaching devices to computers. USB flash drive is a small external device for storing data. It connects through the USB socket. Wi-Fi. A system for communicating without wires over a computer network. Hotspot. An area that has an available wireless signal for internet access, usually public. Configure. To choose options in order to create a custom system. URL. Uniform Resource Locator. The internet address on the web. It usually begins with http:// followed by the rest of the name of the resource. Consider these questions. What springs to mind when you hear the word cloud? What do you know about cloud computing? Is it important to you where you keep your data? Read along with the text and then answer the questions that follow. International Business Machines, IBM, plans to invest $1.2 billion to expand its cloud services. The computing and technology giant wants to bolster its presence in the next generation of cloud storage and other services. The project includes building 15 state-of-the-art data centers across the world. IBM is having to adapt quickly to move from a predominantly hardware-based company into one providing online services. It has experienced declining revenues for the past 6 quarters and urgently needs to reverse this trend. An IBM spokesman told reporters, "This is fundamental because this allows us global coverage." He added, "We are continuing to invest in where we think the growth areas are going to be." Wikipedia says, "Cloud computing is a phrase used to describe a variety of computing concepts that involves a large number of computers connecting through a real-time communication network, such as the Internet. In reality, the cloud is a metaphor for the Internet. Clever marketing has created the concept of the cloud to create more sellable services. Users of cloud services keep their data and software on a server, a huge computer of the company offering the cloud service. There is no need to download anything or store information on a home or work computer." Wikipedia outlines several deterrents to the widespread adoption of cloud computing, including security, reliability, and issues surrounding privacy. Comprehension practice. So now for a review of today's material. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.